For social studies this week, we are going to make a slide. To do that, you're going to come up to where it says your work and click on add or create. And then you're going to click on the slides. It's going to create a slide right here. When it stops running, I can click on that and it's going to open up Google Slides. Okay, it's ready. I'm going to click on that and you're going to see here is the Google Slides. Yours will have a different title on it. This is my assignment that I need to have done when I come back for school on spring break, but this is going to be your assignment. You are going to create a slide. You can get rid of this by clicking on this and deleting it. And now it goes away. So you can clean that off. And now you can put on what you want to put on. Now there are 3 things that you need to put on your slide. The first thing is you need a short description. So to do that, I'm going to use a text box. I can put my text box anywhere I want. This one needs to be a little bit bigger because this is going to be a short description of what my assignment is. So there's 7 different things we're going to be learning about in social studies, and there's like 3 of you that are each doing the same thing. So up here, I can pick a font. I need to pick a font that is readable. So I can't use this one. It's all in capitals. Like this one's kind of hard to read. So is this this font right here that's kind of like cursive. So I want to stick with an easy reading one. I'm also going to change my font size to a little bit bigger. For this, I'm going to just use 16. And in this box, I am putting a short description of what my topic is. Your topic will be in your science and social studies classroom. All right, I can finish filling this in, but I'm going to show you the other things I need to do. I need to put a picture in here. So I go to the mountains and I click on Insert Image and I can search the web. I can use this to search for my topic. So everything that we are doing is on the westward expansion, and I'm going to do a map of the westward expansion. So here it's pulling it up, and I can click on, I like this colored map because I like the details. So I click on it, you see that little check mark, then I come down to the bottom and I click Insert. Oh, it doesn't want to work, so let's try a different one. Again, search the web. I'm sticking with my westward expansion, but I'm going to pick a different map to see if that one will work. And it will. So right here, I have my picture. So I have my description. Now I have my picture. Now I need one more thing. I need to explain the good things and if there was any bad things that happened because of my topic. So I'm going to do another text box. And we talked about this before, how I can put a border, and I'm going to put a border around this one just to separate it from my other text box. I need to come up here and pick my font again. Change my font size to 16, so it's a little bit bigger. Oh, it didn't change it. Let's just type in 16, enter. All right, the good things that happened. And then I would make a list of the good things. And if there was any bad things that happened, I would put bad things that happened, and I would put it under here. So I have everything on here, but one thing is missing. I'm not sure whose this is. So here in this box or in this box, I am going to put my name in here. So I know who did this slide. Then all I have to do is exit out of that, and then I turn it in and my turn in button. And that is how you are going to create a slide for social studies.